Swimming in Lane 1 is Pereira Jewel Zilin of North Shore Wave Swim Club. Lane 2, Caberte Mirabela of Bacolod Hill Swimming Team. Lane 3, La Ria Zilin of Root Swim CBO. Lane 14, Chavez Paper Marcel of Pangal Wave Golden Swimming Club. And Lane 5, Sugako Rian of Bacolod Swimming Team. On deck are swimmers of event 208, heat number 10.